Well, so this is our first sentence. Someone is sleeping, right? So to convert it into predicate logic, here we are writing for some x where someone, that is some person, that is x is some person, and the person is sleeping. That is, person x means x is a person, and sleeping of x means x is sleeping. Let me tell you one important thing, that is we know that there is two quantifiers. One is for all and the second one is there exist. So whenever we are working with or using this for all, that time we have to use implication symbol in this place, and whenever we are using there exists, that time we have to use that and symbol here. So this is the thing, as you can see, that for some x person, that is x is a person and is sleeping. Okay, so let's go to the next question. So the next sentence is no one is sleeping. Okay, so as we know, there exists x, and if we do negation of this, it will be no one, right? And here, as it is said, no one is sleeping, that is we have to write x must be a person, right? person x, and as we are using this there exists, we have to use and sleeping. Okay, x. So the third example, everyone is sleeping, right? So all x, that x supposed to be a person, and as I have told you before, that is whenever you are using for all, that time you have to use implication. Person implies that sleeping x. Let's go to the example 4. Not everyone is sleeping. Well, for that, everyone means all x, so we have to add a negation symbol before it. That is for all x, for not all x, right? It is a person implies what? Sleeping x. So as you can, there is a negation before it, you can convert it into their exist form. It will be like it's like the same meaning, there's exist some x, x is a person also, and it is not sleeping, right? So let's go to the example 5. This is using this formula, as I am going to tell you, that is if a implies b, that time it is equivalent to not of a and or b. And here the negation, it will be negation in all the cases, even whenever negation is applied over this or here, it will be converted into and. So there it is. Some man killed Sui. Here it will be some means there exists X, which is a man, and then we have to use and symbol, kill, or you can add killed. It is X killed Sui. So here is predicate logic for this. This is an example. The sentence you can see, if it is a bird, it can fly. Fine. Then the predicate logic will be, that is, bird is an entire universe, right, of bird. So for all X where X must be a bird to fly, right? If it is a bird, that time it implies that it can fly. The next example is, every father is parent. So the predicate logic will be this. Let me explain you. For all X, there exists some Y, right? That is, X is father of Y. I think I have written it in a different. Let me explain you. It means X defines the set of fathers, right? That is all X, that is all father having some childs, right? It defines in this way, X is a father of Y. That means it implies that parent X is parent of Y. Okay, so this example is very simple. As you know, everyone, that means implies this way, everyone, every X, all X. There is, that is, likes X likes Ram. So let's go to the next example. So this example states that no one is perfect. So whenever this kind of things is given there, that time how you have to implement that, since there is given no one, that time you have to write that negation of your there exists symbol X, no one X, that is, that implies X no one. Since no one is given, you have to use that person, that is, right, no one, the one must be a person. And since you are using this there exists symbol, you have to use and operator, and it means X is perfect. The next example is, someone ate everything, right? So someone means there exists some X. Again, since it is given someone, then you have to use the someone means it is a person, X, right? And then for all Y, right? Y denotes what? That is a food, right? That is, Y is the thing that is eaten by x. So what does it mean? And that time y 8, that is x 8 everything. Y means everything here. X 8 y, where x is a person, is some person, and y is everything, that is x 8 everything. So this is it.